Yeah. Hey, try the 9/64. It's span wrench. About a year ago, I uploaded a video of me swapping the starter on my 2000 and something Toyota Yaris. And I used I'm in Love with My Car by Queen, an instrumental version. And it's only recently that I realized that that was copyrighted material. So all the proceeds from that 2-minute video are going directly to fattening up the 3 remaining members of the band. So I re-uploaded with a new soundtrack, and here it is. Thanks. No, I don't break stuff just to make repair videos. It's what I do full time. It's my profession. I don't have to. And when I'm not doing this, I have friends and neighbors and family bringing me items to repair. And when I'm not doing that, I volunteer at a repair cafe in Montreal. Yesterday, the starter on my old Toyota Yaris came out. This is a new starter. They pretty much all look the same. In the case of most Toyotas, all you'll need is a 12 and a 14 millimeter socket or wrench, and maybe a slotted screwdriver and long nose pliers to get all fancy. But in a life and death situation, 12 and 14 millimeters will do. Of course, I have an entire workshop at my disposal and its tools, so I use 12 and 14 wrenches and sockets, a breaker bar, pliers, and the screwdriver. A newish starter, this is a rebuild, is $175 plus taxes, but depending on which auto parts store you buy it from, you'll get usually a $75 discount when you bring the old one in. The problem with the old one, this connection right here between the motor and the solenoid. It's braided copper, and after a decade of Montreal slush and salt, it had completely corroded. There was absolutely nothing left to it. Okay, the way this works, when you turn your ignition switch, the solenoid right here, it's basically a relay switch, receives a weak current through a thin wire, which would be connected to this here, which closes the circuit and allows your car's battery to power this high torque motor. An electromagnet pivots this pinion gear forward, which engages with another gear called the flywheel, which cranks your motor. Then the starter pinion retracts. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now get me out of here.